Ipsita, your idea of taking the payasam to another level, making it a part of a hangover breakfast, brilliant. Great food truck concept. Get it patented. The hangover truck. Chewy. The mustard lemon curd, amazing. But the cake left so much to be desired. It's very difficult when we are in a predicament. But it's time for the test of the kitchen fire. Kitchen lessons are life lessons. Kitchen rules never change. And one of the rules is say less, but say it well. Ipsita, you're burnt. It was too much on a plate to comprehend. And unfortunately, none of that was executed as good as you wanted to execute it.
Life lessons.
Ipsita?
At least I'm taking off a white apron.
Yeah, at least you're taking off a white apron, right?
Yes.
Always silver lining.
Yes.
At least you're taking a truck name back, the hangover truck.
I will get on to that.
On your journey at Fem Foodies, relate to us your two favorite memories.
I love the fact that you had done a half panko shrimp. I'm gonna take that back with me. I love the clothes you wear. I think having such a young person to judge us gives us a lot of inspiration. And two favorite moments would be the barbecue challenge was actually quite fun.
Totally.
You were such
You were the
a rock
star.
star in that chat.
Absolutely.
And in fact, just seeing yesterday's challenge where everything was black was something that completely, if I was there, it would have thrown me off. But I think it's such a brilliant challenge that one color palette, but different taste altogether. And it could be all black, but taste all different. So amazing challenges. Burnt hand, of course.
You were really one of my favorites. I loved all your cooking. I loved the way you compose yourself in the kitchen, that boss-like attitude. Keep that on. And that pit fire challenge, you rocked it.
Ipsita, you're a thinking chef. You're thinking every moment you're cooking. That's a great quality. Keep it. And keep strengthening your basics. At one point in time, your techniques are going to catch up to your thinking, and then you're going to be a force to reckon with, and that's a promise.
Your ideas, Ipsita, are really refined, and it's just that little bit of technique that needs to come up, and I am so sure that in a couple of years, I'll be eating at something exciting that you've created, that you've branded, and I look forward to it.
Good job. Thank you. Juhi, Megha, Akansha, Tanisha, welcome to the grand finale week at Fem Foodies. How does that feel? All right, so we have Saudi Arabia, Gurgaon, South Africa, Gujarat, Mirzapur, Paris, and Shillong, Delhi. We have a lot going on, right? We are all excited, and we are sure you're going to give us more and more difficult times, because you are the best. As times get difficult, the food is going to get delicious, and that is the promise, because delicious food is what always brings smiles on our faces. and on your as well. For more smiles, stay tuned to Bertolli Presents Femme Foodies riding on Suzuki Let's.
I love the cool, trendy graphics of the Suzuki Let's.
And it's as stylish as the
Femme Foodies.